Good morning, YouTube! So today is the perfect day to go and make a friend because today is Make a Friend Day. Now, you might get slapped in the face a couple times, but whatever. Go out and talk to someone you don't know yet, or maybe you do know them. Just make a friend. Be nice to somebody that you're not usually nice to. Maybe bake some cookies for your neighbors, or whatever. Go and talk to somebody. Introduce them to yourself. And get their number or something just to be friends. Hang out. Just whatever. Go hang out with someone you have on Facebook but you don't really talk to very much or you've never hung out with before. Go and make a friend because today is Make a Friend Day and today's motto is why not? A lot of people are timid. I'm kind of sometimes, but I've actually approached somebody before and I was like, you know, you don't know me but I know you. And she's like, what? I was like, I actually don't know you but you know, I want to, and now she's like one of my best friends. It's that easy, and why not go and approach them? The chances of them, like, truly hating you, coming up with some crazy grudge, like, to just destroy you off the face of the planet one day, is very not likely. And if that really does happen, then you're just a very unlikable person. I'm sorry. Anyway, get over it, and go introduce yourself to somebody, and make a friend. Maybe they'll end up being your best friend and you'll have like a really good time with them. You never know. Go try and why not? I hope you all have a wonderful day and I will see you all tomorrow.